Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss a very nice concept that is when a block is kept on a inclined plane like this. Here there are two cases, it could be smooth or rough, whatever, but we are going to study the forces acting on this block which is kept on this inclined plane, or we call it as a wedge. Okay, so what are the forces acting on it and how they are going to split, how the forces are going to split, we are going to study now. See, when this is a smooth inclined plane, for example, this is a block kept on this smooth inclined plane. Imagine it is at rest for a while, for an instant it is at rest. If it is at rest, what are the forces acting on it? If its mass is m and the angle of inclination is say alpha, first one is gravity acts in the downward direction, mg. That's all. Now see, if this is a smooth surface, if I release this block, what happens? This block slides. Why? Tell me, why this block slide? Have you ever experienced it in your regular life? Yes, you have experienced it in your regular life. If a block is kept on this smooth surface, what happens? It slides. Why? As we know, according to the Newton's first law, if there is no force acting on the object, it will not displace. If there is a displacement, if the object displaces, means there is certainly some forces acting on it in the direction of the force, or the force is acting in the direction of motion. So it is moving in this direction, say with an acceleration a, means some force acting in this direction. So we have to identify that force. What is that force? Point number one. Now, as it is a surface, an object is kept on this surface, what are the forces acting on this block? We have to study now. One is mg in this direction, other one is normal reaction. Normal means perpendicular. So it is always acts in the direction perpendicular to the surface. So this is our surface, this is our perpendicular. So in this direction, so normal reaction is acting on this body. So as n is acting in this direction, in the upward direction, this object should move in the upward direction. But it is not moving in this direction. Means someone is balancing this n. So who is that? We have to find that. Let it be Fn. So this Fn balances this n. So I am going to write Fn is equal to our normal reaction, equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So Fn. And what about this F dash? How much? This is our task now. Okay. This is very important concept. I am explaining this clearly. Try to practice it for 5 to 10 times so that you will be habituated. Okay. Don't by heart. I am asking you to practice it for 5 to 10 times. Okay. If you are a beginner, if you are an advanced person, no need to practice. Okay. Now, can I extend this like this? And can I draw one line like this, imaginary line? Okay. Now, this is one line. This is one line. See, these two are parallel to each other. If this is alpha, what is this? This is obviously alpha. And what about this? This total is 90, so this will be 90 minus alpha. Say beta for a while. Where beta is equal to how much? 90 minus alpha. Now, can I take this triangle? Can I draw this triangle here? Like this? Just I rotated this. Say this is O, A, B. angle is at A. So this is A. This is A. OA is our diagonal. So this is our diagonal and this is our B. Okay. Now the angle is at A. So what is that angle? Beta. So these are beta. From this triangle, what is this hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is our MG. It is from O to A. So this is our MG direction. From this, can I write sine beta is equal to how much? Sine beta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, means OB by OA, which is equal to OB means OB, let it be, by OA means what? MG. That implies OB is equal to how much? MG sine beta. Sine beta, that is equal to MG sine, instead of beta, can I write 90 minus alpha? 90 minus alpha. So sine 90 minus alpha means how much? Cos alpha. So OB is equal to how much? MG cos alpha. What is this OB? OB is our FN, means normal, which is equal to how much? MG cos alpha. Alpha. Remember this. So this normal is always equal to MG cos alpha. Now let us see this F dash. F dash means this. This means what? BA. So from this BA means, can we find BA from this triangle? Yes. Cos beta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, means AB by OA, that is equal to AB by OA means how much? MG. That implies AB is equal to how much? AB is equal to MG cos beta. MG cos beta, where beta equal to how much again? 90 minus alpha. So which is equal to MG cos 90 minus alpha, which is equal to MG sin alpha. What is this AB? AB is nothing but our F dash. So F dash is equal to how much? MG sin alpha. Always remember the normal force is always MG cos alpha, and the force acting along the incline in the downward direction is MG sin alpha. So this is actually a basic concept. We are going to apply this basic concept in several problems and in several other proofs. So every time I don't explain all this, so you have to remember this. So whenever I explain such kind of problems, then I simply say that normal means you have to say that MG cos alpha. If I say the force acting along the incline, means you have to say that MG sin alpha. Remember this. So next let us discuss about motion of bodies on inclined planes with the help of strings and pulleys. See you all.